Hello, wonderful souls, and welcome back to How to Heal. Today, we're immersing ourselves in the rejuvenating practice of forest bathing and exploring how nature can be a profound source of healing. Forest bathing, or Shinrin-yoku, is a Japanese practice that involves mindful immersion in a forest's sights, sounds, and scents. Let's begin by understanding how forest bathing works and how you can embrace this healing practice. Step 1. Mindful forest walk. As you wander through the forest, engage your senses. Notice the rustling leaves, the birdsong, and the feel of the earth beneath your feet. Step 2. Connect with nature. Take moments to touch the trees. Observe the intricate details of leaves, and be present with the beauty that surrounds you. Step 3. Mindful breathing. Pause at different spots and take deep breaths. Inhale the forest's fresh air and exhale any tension or worries. Nature has a remarkable way of healing us. Its energy, its calm, and its presence can work wonders on our mind, body, and spirit. Remember, you don't need a vast forest to practice forest bathing. Even a park or a quiet garden can offer the healing embrace of nature. These moments of communion with nature can be deeply restorative, reducing stress, enhancing well-being, and fostering a sense of inner peace. Thank you for joining me in exploring the healing power of forest bathing. As you embrace nature's embrace, may you find renewal and tranquility. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who may yearn for a deeper connection with nature and healing. Until our next forest bath, may you find solace and healing in the gentle embrace of the natural world.